I'm going to give you a recipe for a cream cleanser that you can use in your kitchen, on granite, on quartz countertops. You can use on your ceramic hob, on stainless, in your sink and your bath in the bathroom. So this is what it looks like when it's mixed up, and it has three really simple ingredients. So vegetable glycerine, a unfragranced, eco-friendly dishwashing liquid, and some baking soda. All three of these you can get at your grocery store. And vegetable glycerine, you probably won't get as much bang for your buck if you get it from your grocery store, because they'll probably sell it in smaller quantities at a higher price per 100 ml. I got this when I placed one of my online soaping ingredient orders. So this one I got a little bit more affordable, but vegetable glycerine, you literally can get all three of these from your grocery store, depending on how big the grocery store is. When it comes to the dishwashing liquid, or washing up liquid if you're in the UK, you want something, this one I picked because it is fragrance free, no perfumes, no parabens, no sulfates. It's actually in a recycled container. It's cruelty free, so it's not been tested on animals, which is a good thing. And then baking soda, this is in abundance at your local grocery store. And all three of these were relatively cheap. So this was probably only about $3–4. This, I don't know, probably the same thing for a box this big. And this I can't remember, but basically they're not expensive ingredients. So this is what your cream cleanser will look like. And when it comes to the cream cleanser recipe, don't put any fragrances or oils or perfumes in it, because at the end of the day you're cleaning with it and washing it off, so it's not really going to leave a lingering smell. And if you were to put any citrus into this recipe, citrus and baking soda don't play nice in the sandpit. So they argue, and your cream cleanser can separate and go lumpy. So avoid that. So what I did when I made this, I put my liquids into the jar first. You don't need to see me measuring and mixing. So I put the vegetable glycerine, the dishwashing liquid, into the jar. Then I added the baking soda and just mixed it. And that is what it's like. So keep it stored somewhere nice and cool and dry with a lid on it. And like I said, this you can use on multiple surfaces. And I will put the ingredients and the recipe underneath the video for you, so that you've got it to refer back to. And any questions, just reach out to us.